All right, so you already doing it. However, I'm gonna tell you, like my campaign manager told me, and I remember we was running for office in 2010.
Told y'all he was the GOAT. Look at him.
So he was running for office in 2010, right? And I believe like there's nothing that I talk about that I don't. My kids, poor people, them poor children, they heard me times 1,000. Everything I'm saying in this, they hear it all day, every day. Like poor kids, right? But so I live it, I breathe it, I practice it. Well, we was going door to door knocking, and he's my age, right? Friend of mine, good dude, but he has a different, he has like that campaign manager mindset. Whatever that is, he got it. I ain't built like that, right? We make a good duo, we a good team. Well, we going door to door knocking, and he's getting ticked off at me because in between doors, right? We're not going to every single door. We're going to specific doors on the list because they were called super voters, right? So we know they gonna vote. Up the street, down the street, y'all may not vote unless Obama running. But Miss Mary and them, they vote every year for the past since the 70s, right? We're gonna go see Miss Mary, right? So we going to these people on these lists, right? We don't know who they voted for, but we know they pulled the ballot. So we walking 3, 4 houses down, 2, 3, 4 houses down, and in between I'm picking up trash. Putting it, finding a trash can. He's getting so ticked off. And I'm like, bruh, my city, my community, my people, my such and such. Come on, man. And he was like, now this is my homeboy. He got real professional with me. He was like, Mr. Burris, if you got a garbage bag and walked up and down this street and cleaned the gutters and the lawn and everything, everybody's steps and porch, and nobody knew that Rodney C. Burris did that, who's going to be able to vote for you? I was like, crap. You better get on Instagram. You better post your videos. You better tweet. Because if we don't know, we don't know. If we don't know, we don't know. So don't follow the trend. But if I take my light, right, and hide it under a bushel, under a barrel, that's a biblical scripture. If I take what I got and don't let nobody see it, not only are they not going to see it, the light going to go out. The light going to go out. So shine.